Tesla steering wheels offer both tilt, up-down, and telescope in-out adjustments for optimal comfort and control. These adjustments are quick, taking under 10 seconds, and require no tools. To adjust, locate the buttons on the steering column or wheel, typically on the left side. For tilt, press and hold the tilt button while moving the wheel to your desired vertical angle, usually a 5 to 10 degree range. Release the button to lock it in place. For telescope, use the telescope button to slide the wheel forward or backward, allowing for a 2 to 4 inch extension to suit different heights. Adjustments are powered by the vehicle's electrical system and integrate with touchscreen memory settings under Controls, Driving, Steering Wheel, where you can save preferred settings. Tesla recommends parking for safety during adjustments, though it can be done in motion. For Cybertrucks with yoke-style steering wheels, adjustments are made via capacitive touch buttons directly on the yoke. Tesla's over-the-air updates allow for personalized driving profiles synced with steering wheel adjustments. Owners can now sync adjustments with biometric data for automatic readjustment. In the future, Tesla is expected to introduce fully automated steering wheel adjustments in upcoming models using AI, adjusting based on real-time driving conditions or fatigue detection. Statistics show high user satisfaction with Tesla's adjustable steering. A 2025 J.D. Power survey found that 92% of Tesla owners rated steering adjustability as excellent or very good. This shift towards adaptive ergonomics is growing, with Tesla leading in EV customization,